Hi guys, today I'm here to show you how to do a very fast makeup if you have somewhere to go, At times we want to look good and we are still rushing out to go somewhere. So let's get started and see how many minutes it's going to take me to do this makeup. Guys, if you are just visiting this channel for the very first time, please subscribe. Okay, let's go. I'm starting with my brow. When you are rushing, it will not be that perfect. I don't know if I can get my makeup done in 30 minutes. Let me bring my wristwatch and show you the time I start doing this tutorial. So the time is 12:25. Can you see? So by the time I finished, I'll show you the time I stopped doing it. Okay, let's get started. So I hope I can really be done in 15 minutes. I know the list of my makeup usually takes me around 30-35 minutes. Let's see if this. I'm trying to rush. I'm just drawing what is not supposed to be. Okay. So just brush it out. So what you do when you're trying to do something like this is to get everything ready. I mean your concealer brush, everything. Just set them already on the table and it will be fast. So this is concealer. I'm using elegant concealer. I don't think there's time to be showing all this because that will actually take time. So I think what I'll just do is, just say what I'm using with my mouth. This concealer brush is actually very bad, so I'm looking to buy a new one. I'm sorry, this eyebrow will not be perfect because it's not about perfection today. It's about hurrying to work, hurrying to a date. He has parked outside and you just want to rush. And the truth is, there's no way you drew your brow. Once you conceal this under part of the brow, believe me, it's going to come out nice. Once you conceal the other part, even though you're not doing the yup, it's just going to be nice. Then I'll spend that many minutes drawing one brow. So what I'll do is go back and retrace with my brow pencil. Oh, I messed up. Yeah, that's one part of the brow. I said it won't be perfect because you are rushing, right? Okay, I don't think this place is well shaded. These are the things that makes you keep long when doing your makeup. You have to go back and reshade. Okay, people don't do dark brows again, but still, we have to make it come out nice. I'm covering up my sunburn. Do you notice I have sunburn? I'm seriously suffering with sunburn right now. Okay, then the upper part. I don't know why people don't comment on my videos. Like, if you are watching this video and you think you grab something, just comment you do, please. I feel like nobody is watching me, nobody is seeing me. Oh my god, they don't look alike. Okay, I think we have to go here and chop it in a bit. They are alike in any way. Yeah, they're meant to be sisters anyway. Not to be like twin. Even most twins though. So guys, this is it. So this brow took me how many minutes? When did we start? This brow took me, I think it took me 10 minutes or 8 minutes. Yeah, this is it guys. It took me how many minutes? Did you check the time when we started? Okay guys.